Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and yep, I told you I'd be cooking inside this year. And Elizabeth saw this easy puff pastry snowflake that was filled with Nutella on Facebook. Well, for Valentine's Day, I decided to try to make it for her. And instead of using Nutella, I used strawberries. A strawberry pie filling, actually. And that's how it turned out. Let me show you how I made this. All right, 2 packs of puff pastry. I need some parchment paper lined on a baking sheet, unrolled puff pastry. And then I'm going to use a lid because this is about the right size for these. You can use a bowl or whatever you have. I'm going to need 2 of them, so I'm going to cut out 2 of these. Okay, and so yeah, I have leftover puff pastry, and what I used for that is I made a miniature snowflake and that little chocolate roll right there. Okay, then I used some strawberry pie filling. I mixed it up with a hand blender. And we're using this for the filling. So then you just want to spread the filling all around your bottom dough, obviously. And then you want to add your top dough, press it around all the edges. And then I got a jar, a little mason jar to use as a guide. And I'm going to cut this in 4ths, and 8ths, and then 16ths, just like this. And yeah, it takes a little bit of time, but that's okay. I'm using a knife. Just take your time, make sure you cut all the way through. And then, once you're done, you're going to pick up 2 of them and twist them. I twisted them outwards for 2 times. And just like that, go all the way around. You got a snowflake right there. Okay, so now I'm going to melt a little butter. And then I'm going to brush it on my snowflake. Now you can use an egg wash if you want to, but I prefer to use melted butter. And then I'm going to use some turbinado's sugar, cane sugar, and sprinkle it on top before we put this in the oven. Bake for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. And just like that. Look at that. Okay, so that was pretty easy. I'm not really a baker, but you know, puff pastry's already made. When you have pre-made stuff, it makes it even easier. So here it is right here, nice and golden brown. That's pretty good. I wanted the Nutella, but she wanted the strawberry, so you know, she doesn't eat chocolate. So anyway, thanks for watching. Give these a try. I hope to see you on the next video, and I hope you have a great day.